See the box. See that came. This is obviously in shipping, but it has a little bit damage there in the box. Hopefully that doesn't hurt mine, and it's crushed in right here. Hopefully it didn't affect mine. But I have seen on the reviews that a lot of them are coming with cracked corners and stuff. Shows some installation instructions. Looks like they sent 2 of them. They look different though. Let's see what it looks like in there. See if I can put you guys up now. Move you guys back. I'll pull it out of there. Yay, always good news. You can see this is how one comes, so there's 3 here. Always good to see no damages. So I'm going to go ahead and pop one open. This is the smaller size that they had. Pop that up. Looks like this is gonna have to pop in there somehow. Oh, there we go. So you can see these little grooves right here. They kind of pop in there. Back, pop in. Bottom. Here on the top. That makes it pretty sturdy. Still has these little handles so you can pack it around, move it. Mostly if you have stuff in here. Little locking doors. Bottom there is wheels, and then you can stack them, so this is where the wheels would go, and inside that base will keep it from moving. Over there, I'm going to go ahead and open up another one so you can see them stacked together. Some of the other reviews, looks like some of them get these with these little things cracked. So either they're shipping them a little bit better, or I just got lucky. So that pops in there like that, pops in there like that. You guys can see. That looks pretty good. We'll see if my wife likes it. We got these for the bathroom, so she'll be putting her stuff in there. And since we're here, I'll just go ahead and open up that third one. But so far, I think they look pretty nice. They're going to give us quite a bit of storage. And we're probably going to be having this set on the floor, so it will be nice that it has wheels, so we might be able to move it if it's in our way. I think that how it locks in, how that lid gives it nice sturdy. I think this is actually a pretty good box. And I got the smaller size. I don't remember what the size is, but it's the smaller one to give you guys reference on size, how big this is. Grab something and put in there. The Mountain Dew bottle, give you reference on what you can put in there. There's still a good, probably inch. You can line your stuff up across there. Also wanted to let you guys know I have the very small carpet in here in our kitchen, and it doesn't really roll across it. See, you have to push the bottom if you want it to go, but it's not rolling. So I did want to let you guys know that this carpet is probably not going to work for rolling. See what it looks like.